units respectively for your magnitude and your angle for the direction of the soccer ball to be kicked? Okay, good. Okay, so this is one person, one vector was them running straight across, the other vector was them kicking the ball. Okay? Now, this last example, you have two people, Ann and Henry. They are lifting a stone statue and moving it to a new location in their garden. Ann is pushing the statue at a force of 20 newtons at a 60-degree angle with the horizontal, while Henry is pulling the statue with a force of 180 newtons at a 40-degree angle with the horizontal. So you have to find the magnitude of the combined force they exert on the statue. So combined force would mean what? What do you think? Adding. So you need two vectors that you got to find the resultant of, and then on top of that you need to find the magnitude of it. Okay? So basically Ann represents one vector and Henry represents the other vector. Now, I know some of you guys may have never moved in your life, okay? But if you think about it, if you have a statue, okay? Clearly, just like when you pick up something really heavy with two people, one person's on one side, one person's on the other side. And she's on one side and she is pushing the statue with a force of 120 newtons at an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. There is vector 1. So this is Ann. Where Henry, he is pulling, right? He is pulling this statue with a force of 180 newtons at an angle of 40 degrees with the horizontal. There's vector 2. Do you guys see the setup for your two vectors? What should be the setup for vector 1? In general, no decimals. 120 cosine 60 and 120 sine 60. And then vector 2. And those are the two vectors that you're going to add together and then find the magnitude of. Okay? So go ahead and finish off this problem, and then we'll check in a few minutes. Everyone get 296 newtons of force combined? Good stuff. Okay? Just double check, make sure, because I know some of you guys are writing down like all the numbers on the paper. I mean, it's cool. I think that's when you probably run into more issues that way. So just be careful, okay? Maybe even double check to make sure you got the same answer both times. All right? Any questions?